Inside the hive, worker bees process nectar. Natural enzymes begin changing its Worker bumblebees seal full honeycomb cells with wax. Each capped cell protects valuable honey. The honey is now fully matured.
Clear the bay, we have another pallet coming through. This one is ready for the truck, grab the manifest. Watch your left, coming around. Okay, back it up slowly now.
We need that shipment moved to cold storage right away.
Caucasian experts inspect every honey frame carefully. Special lights reveal honey quality instantly. Digital systems scan the entire shipment. Powerful machines remove wax caps automatically. Sharp heated blades glide across each frame. Golden honey, the flow rate looks steady at 500 liters per hour.
Excellent, let's maintain this speed.
Through our advanced filtration systems, we ensure maximum purity. The quality improves dramatically, resulting in a beautiful, premium-grade honey.
All parameters checked out. The spectrometry confirms high quality. Excellent. Let's move this batch to packing.
We're approaching the 15,000-liter mark on Tank 4.
Sensors are green across the board. The batch is secure. First, large industrial mixers begin operating. The honey moves smoothly inside giant tanks. Workers monitor mixing.
The clarity is perfect.
Agreed. The levels are stable. We can proceed with bottling.
The line is running at full capacity.
We're exceeding the hourly target. Advanced cameras inspect every finished jar. Artificial intelligence detects tiny defects. Defective products are removed automatically.
Make sure these pallets are labeled for the morning shipment.
Already done. Just finishing the wrap. Bill of lading confirmed. This one goes to the city center.
Got it, see you tomorrow.
This organic one looks really good. The packaging is beautiful.
Yes, and it's a local brand. Let's get the large one.
Look how big this jar is.